This is Jay from Brubaker Chrysler-Jeep, and today we're going to be showing you how to use the inflation system in your Chrysler Pacifica. So first, you're going to start by opening the trunk. And when you open the trunk, you're going to see there's this panel on the left side. You're going to remove the panel. As you can see, here's your inflator. Here's your spare tire. So you're going to remove this. Okay, so once you have your tire inflator, what you're going to do is unravel the cord and plug it into your car. Alright, so once you have your inflator connected, you're going to come outside the car. And as you can see, we've already got this done. But you want to unloop the hose and attach it to your tire stem. You always want to make sure the tire stem is at the bottom of the tire. And as you can see, we're at the perfect PSI right now. But if we were not, what you would want to do, start it up. Now, if your car has a puncture wound or something of that sort, what you're going to want to do is go to this knob and change it from air pressure to sealant. See, this tire doesn't have a puncture in it, but if it were to have one, then what we would do, flip that over to the sealant, fill it up, and then you would drive about 10 minutes to make sure the sealant is completely distributed through the tire. And after that, pull back over to make sure everything is good, make sure your tire pressure is good, and then you would put this sticker inside the car right here, just so you know not to go over the speed. You're gonna open your trunk again, and then we're gonna place right back where we got it. And there we are. That's how you use your tire inflation kit in the Chrysler Pacifica.